Welcome to the sixth part of doing the video of web design. But this time we're going to talk about how to add images in the website. Now, let me just share my screen real quick. Um, Now, before we go to the coding part or the HTML part, it's important that you are mindful as to where you save your images that you are going to add in the website. As for me, I have saved the image here in the desktop and I have named the image as Filipino Adobo and it's in JPEG or JPG because that's the format of the photo. Now, let's go to the document that we have been using again. Now, since we're trying to insert the image in the body of the web page, it's just right that we have to put the code in the body section. So let's use let's just put H1 tagging since this is the first part, right? And then let's name it as Filipino adobo, for example. And then make sure that we close this to uh, you close the tagging with a slash. Now, of course, you have to put a description by putting a p tagging and the code img because of course it's an image and then the source. So we're already trying to locate the image is equals to remember, as I have shown the picture earlier, we have named it as Filipino Adobo.jpg. So that's what we're going to use. Filipino Adobo.jpg. And then make sure to close it with a closing tag. Make sure to also include open and close quote and then the close bracket, then make sure to close with a p tagging. Let's see if it's going to be a successful or if it's if, what we did would capture the page we have created. I mean the image that we have added. Save as let's say let's just say let's just name it as adobo.html. Right. So this is the one, right? Adobo.html. Let's see if it uh captured the picture. There you go. So it actually shows the web it actually shows the picture that we have saved. So it's up to you if you wanted to enlarge it or by enlarge it or uh you can go ahead and uh view it as well in a small picture, but we're going to talk about that on the next video. I hope you learned something today.